Dr. Dan, I went from being in unbelievable pain. I was having problems walking. I couldn't even sleep. I lost strength in my legs. I couldn't climb stairs. I had shocking pain. I had numbness and soreness in both calves and thighs. It was just ridiculous. My quality of life was zero.
And how many doctors did you see over the last couple of months?
I've already seen 5 different doctors, from an endocrinologist, cardiologist, podiatrist, my PCP, health and wellness educator. I mean, I've been doing everything and anything, and even though they've put me on additional medications, nothing has helped me. And my brother, a former client of yours when he was living here, had mentioned about what you did for him and got me the information, and your staff was awesome in getting me in very quickly. And
were you skeptical?
Yes, I was.
Yeah.
I was hoping for maybe a 20% improvement. I really didn't know what to expect because I've never had a chiropractic visit before. I've always heard about it, but you're like, does it really help? Is it, maybe more placebo? I feel like a completely different individual.
What percentage improvement in the legs?
100% improvement. I can't believe it. I cannot believe the difference, because I was really just expecting maybe a little bit of improvement, but I haven't been getting the improvement through the other usual channels and the other doctors. And Dr. Dan, I feel like this is a miracle.
Thank you.
With what you have done and the hope you have given me it's going to make a difference not only to myself, but to my wife and to my son.
Yeah.
I can't thank you enough.
Thank you. And we see it in the technology, right?
It is.
We see the change in the technology before and after.
It is unbelievable.
Chris, thanks for coming in today, my man.
Thank you, Dr. Dan. Just an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for helping me, sir.